For set 1, there is a all tied up energy, so you will feel caught up in a wrong situation, tied up with lot of problems, issues or responsibilities. You might feel, some of you might feel cornered, some of you might feel that people are trying to play around with you and you are not able to see the situation properly and not getting the clarity. So there is lot of mental stress, more of a psychological stress expected here, which may or may not be real in some cases. So all you have to do is wait for the time, rather than being anxious or depressive. Just wait for the things to shape up and wait for things to open up. Situation is not very bad. You might feel it is worst, but it is not that bad. Hold on with your emotions, hold on with your anxieties. Things will shape up in time. If you need a temporary support to curb your negativity, you can use the black tourmaline stone, or you can simply use a sea salt which you get in the market. Just keep that sea salt in a black cloth and tie it with the black cloth and keep it in your purse or in a packet or in your pocket. That will just help you to shed away the negativity that you or yourself might generate because of the negative thoughts, or the situation might generate in your case. So use white salt and carry it with you. That will help you to clear the negativity that you are facing right now, or at least it will give you the strength enough to face it. People who have chosen set 2, for them the message is contract. So friends, you will have to be little careful when you are dealing with some contractual issues, because there is a possibility that you might sign some legal document, or there would be communication led activity which might happen in this time, during this time. So you have to be little alert and little careful while you are dealing with this kind of activity, just to avoid any chaos or legal issues in your case. Try to be little more detailed, analytical. Try to get support if you feel that you are not able to take certain decisions and things are going more on the legal zone. So there most of you might be signing some contract, writing some contract, or writing some legal document for yourself, or with regards to your job or career. For people who have chosen set 3, there is the energy of a broken heart. So there is somebody who is expected to hurt you, or you are expecting to hurt somebody in the coming week. So just be careful. If it's you who is expected to hurt, and don't get hurt by anybody else, because there is somebody who might be breaking your heart, who might be either denying the proposal, either in terms of relationship or in career. So you were expecting certain things from the relationship or career, and that might not happen. So the decision might go against your will, which will lead you to feel hurt, feel broken, and there is a pain expected for some time due to that. So try to use more of pink and more of green colors, shades in your life in the coming week. That will help you to feel loved, to feel taken care of, and that will help you to feel nurtured. So that is the energy quick update for you for the coming week. Hope it helps you. Do share your feedback in the comments, and don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, Tarot Reader Shefali in English, and Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Take care, friends.